let's continue. And now we can see the dashboard, but now we want to log in. So every time if I go to localhost 3000 in this case, we should not see dashboard, we just see a straightforward the login. They enter your email and your password, so we shouldn't see this dashboard because this is eventually where we are gonna name our bikes and all the stuff. So if we go back into our Visual Studio Code, we are gonna go into the pages. So yeah, we're gonna go into the pages and we are gonna go into the dashboard. Okay, so and here we're gonna bring in a couple of things. So we're gonna import, the use effect. Yeah, we're gonna import the, let me see if I can do it like, use effect, yeah, I can do it. So yeah, I did it automatically for me. Okay, so we are gonna import the use effect. We are also gonna be use the use navigate. So import and use navigate. Let me see, navigate. We're gonna, yeah, well, it doesn't automatically here, but we're gonna bring it from the React. Yeah, React router down. Okay, so we're importing that. So we have the use navigate, we have the use effect, and let me see, import. We are gonna do the use selector. Okay, use selector, and this one is gonna be from the React. Let me see, it's gonna be from the React Redux. Okay, here. So we have that so far, and here we're gonna go right here. We're gonna initialize the navigate. So navigate, and we're gonna set it to use navigate. Okay, so as you can see, this error went away. Okay, so we have that const navigate, use navigate. Yeah, we're gonna have the const, and this one is gonna be the user. So it's gonna be the user, and this user comes from the auth state. So this is our only state so far, the auth state. Yeah, let me see, comes user and use selector. So use selector. Okay, and use selector takes a function. So use selector takes a function, an arrow function, like that. And this arrow function takes in the state. Takes in the state. Okay, not curly braces, but this user comes from the auth state. So like that. Let me see, we have user, use selector, state at auth. What else do we have here? State, use selector, user, use selector, state. Okay, so now we're gonna have here the use effect. So use effect, the use effect, like that. We're gonna have an arrow function this time, like that, with curly braces here. And after that we're gonna have an array, and here we're gonna call in the user. So this error went away. And also navigate, since we are using this. So navigate. So let me see, we have that. Now let me see, inside of the curly braces we are gonna have the if statement. So if there is not a user, so if there is not a user, we're gonna be doing something. If there is no user, then let me see. Then we're gonna pretty much navigate, so we're gonna navigate. Okay, we're gonna navigate to the okay, so let me see. So right now we're in localhost 3000, so if there is no user, so if nobody has logged in, then what we want to redirect us is to the slash login, so to this endpoint right here, slash login. Okay, so yeah, let me see. Yeah, everything looks fine, and yeah, let me see, save it. And okay, so let me see everything. Okay, I already let me see. Okay, so the backend is running, the front end is running as well. So let's see. As you can see here, I try to hit my best buy, so this is what it used to send me to localhost 3000, and is sending me to the slash login. And even if I do it like this, so if I go straight to localhost 3000, it's gonna send me to the login. See, as you can see, it no longer shows the dashboard. That is the goal, not showing the dashboard. So what we eventually we're gonna list the bikes, describe the different motorcycles, the bikes. Okay, so we have that, and we have nothing here. So let's log in. I don't remember which, so I already also have it open, my MongoDB, so the backend. So let's see, I don't know, let me see, I think there was, yeah, let's try this one that we created in the previous video. So 1 2 3 4, so let me see, let's submit it. And yeah, never mind that we change your password. So this is for educational purposes, so reset, a bunch of resets, but eventually it went to the pending and then fulfill. So this is what we want to see, fulfill. And as you can see, since now we are logged in, we are able to see the dashboard. So only when we are logged in, we should be able to see our bikes, our motorcycle description, whatever we want to be showing on the dashboard. So, and if we go into the auth, so our auth stage, and by the way, I did this with Control Shift I, so Control Shift I since I am in a window. And you can go into the application as well. So we have here this user, and the email, the name, the token, the ID. If I go right here, I go to Redux, we have this information right here as well. So BMW, the name, the ID, the email, and the token. Okay, so we are here in the localhost 3000. So right now in the localhost 3000 we are seeing the dashboard. Okay, so now we can log out, and yeah, this went away. Okay.